Hey, sweetheart, what do you feel like having for dinner tonight?
I'm not sure, Mom. I'm open to anything. What are you in the mood for?
Well, I was thinking we could try something new and exciting. How about making homemade pizza?
Oh, that sounds delicious. I love pizza. What kind of toppings should we put on it?
Great. We can make a variety of pizzas. How about a classic margherita for you with fresh tomatoes, basil, and mozzarella, and for me, I'd love a veggie-loaded one with mushrooms, peppers, and olives.
Sounds perfect. Should we make the pizza dough from scratch or buy a pre-made one?
Let's make the dough from scratch. It's not too difficult, and it's fun to do together. We can find a simple recipe online.
Okay, that sounds like a fun project. What about dessert? I've been craving something sweet.
How about baking some chocolate chip cookies for dessert? We can enjoy them warm with a glass of milk.
That sounds amazing. I love your chocolate chip cookies. Let's do it.
All right, it's settled then. Homemade pizzas and chocolate chip cookies for dinner. Let's gather the ingredients and get started. It's going to be a delicious evening.